The soup is ready. Come here, Bill. Let's show them what it looks like in the pot. I'm very proud of this. This is my first effort with this. You don't do the middle finger anymore. Hi, welcome to Mama Debz Kitchen. It is November, and this month we're doing soup. Don't shake your head at me. Our first soup that we're going to do is Zuppa Toscana, the soup that's at Olive Garden. It's a creamy
Did you
sausage.
pronounce that right?
Huh?
Did you pronounce that right?
I think so. Zuppa Toscana. If not, oh well. So over here, I have browned 1 pound of hot Italian sausage. You brown the sausage first in a little bit of olive oil. I just added in 2 teaspoons. It calls for 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, but we like garlic in this house, so I did 2. And then 1 medium onion chopped. I'm gonna add in now 4 russet potatoes.
For what?
Russet potatoes.
Rustic?
Russet. R-U-S-S-E-T-T, I think it is, or maybe 1 T. I'm gonna add this in, and it says 4 cups of chicken broth, and I need to cover the potatoes, so I'm gonna have to add more because I added more potatoes than it called for. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna let this boil until the potatoes are ready, and then this is an easy recipe. I'm gonna add in a bunch of kale chopped in bite-sized pieces and with heavy whipping cream, and then we'll come back for the taste test. Easy peasy, 1 pot soup. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welcome back. I'm here with my youngest, my baby, Thor. The soup is ready. Come here, Bill. Let's show them what it looks like in the pot. I'm very proud of this. This is my first effort with this. And I made it in the pot. The instructions call for the slow cooker. I'm going to give you the pot version because it's way quicker. Danny is going to do the taste test. We're just going to have it with some garlic bread.
Why don't you taste the soup?
Yeah, but you can take a bite of the garlic bread too and see if you like that.
Have you ever had this before at Olive Garden?
It's good though. It's
Good. See, he normally is not a soup person, right? I gave you a big old wedge cut right there.
good.
You did?
I've heard soup's not a meal.
He says it's not a meal.
It's not.
It's a meal. It's got meat in it. It's got potatoes. It's got kale.
Good. I don't know what you want me to say about the soup.
Okay. Well, next week we're going to make albondigas. I don't say it properly. So tune in. Let me know a soup recipe because I'm kind of stumped. I mean, I made another soup on here before too. It was a vegetable beef soup. So if you have a soup that you want me to try, write it in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining Mama Debz Kitchen. Want to say bye?
Bye.